Hi, I'm Denison, creator of the Marine Diesel Basic books. Well, book 2 in the series, How Everything Works, Installation Guidelines and Best Practices, will be published in about 4 to 6 weeks. This video, I want to dive into what is in the section on lubrication. It's one of the shortest sections, only about 30 pages, but oil is often described as the blood of the diesel engine, so it is absolutely crucial. And understanding what it is, how it works, what it does, and the various parts that make it work successfully, I think are absolutely crucial. So let's dive in. This video is about lubrication, engine lubrication. So this section is about lubrication in the book. It's section 3, again, a table of content with great detail covering all the headings in this section, and an introduction, and then the key components of the circulation, key components of the lubrication circuit, with a brief description and page numbers. The section is on engine oil. Again, it has a brief introduction, and then the functions, more information about how engine oil works, what it's doing, and then some additives, a discussion of conventional synthetic and semi-synthetic, and again, lots of tables. So you can double check if you're buying oil, what standard is it. The section is on oil pumps. Again, a brief description, and then functions of oil pumps, and then how the oil pumps work, and then installation guidelines. Oil filters is a fairly large section. Again, an introduction, functions, how oil filters work, the different parts, how they work inside, and then a user's guide on oil filters and cross-reference tables. There's a section on oil dipsticks, which are often overlooked. And then this section ends with a discussion of remote oil filters, their functions, how they work, and how to install them. It's the shortest section in the book, but oil is the lifeblood of the blood of the engine, so it's important to go into things thoroughly, which I hope this section does. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful. The new book will be out in about 4 to 6 weeks. And until I meet you in person on the water, I wish you fair winds and a reliable diesel.